Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. Part 2, we did this. And before I delete this file, I thought this would be a pretty cool one to do something with. You've already done all the work. You've already made this. Let's make it decorative. So let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's set it on blue or turquoise and fill that in. Now, take your Smart Fill tool and let's get a dark blue. This will teach you a few tools. And these 1, 2, 8 things you need to fill in because they're part of the original. Just fill them in with blue and then take any one of them. We'll go ahead and do this one. I'm going to use the interactive fill tool. I'm going to swipe across, but then I'm going to go up to elliptical and I'm going to a little bit of, well, you know what? We could put a little turquoise in there instead of the traditional blue. Now I'm going to take the attribute eyedropper, which is underneath your color eyedropper, take a sample of that and see, and now it's a little bit off on the other shapes because these are going the opposite direction, but that looks cool. Now, if I group all these together, we can see the 8 objects selected, Control G, Control D, alternate C, and if you didn't watch the first video, we rotated it 20 degrees, and look at that. You're filling in all of them all the way around. Now, we could have, well, you know what? We still got one little part we could fill in with, let's just make it a different part color. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's fill it in with red. But let's go ahead and give it a little pizzazz. Now these will all be the same. I'm going to swipe across it and then get to elliptical. Let me zoom in here. When you zoom in, you lose it, but if you go right back to there, it'll bring it up. And we'll actually kind of put it like that. And maybe let's put a little yellow in the middle. Now it's a 20 degree, Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 20 degrees. And look, it puts it right in that spot. And if I was going to do a lot of these, I would open up the transformation docker. But if we look at this with a black box effect, it'll make it really kind of pop out. Object order, back a page. And look at that. And if I was going to do it for real and print it, I would maybe do these separately. So this is just a different shape than that. This is more in the center. So I would do these two, and then do these 4. Anyway, I don't like that coloration, but that's pretty cool. Hope you helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.